Hey Primary 6 Foundation Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 1 of your assessment paper number 7. So let's take a look at the question. The question is about averages. Now question number 1 says the average number of books Leslie, Eric and Noah have is 28. If Leslie and Eric have 61 books altogether, how many books does Noah have? Okay, so for the word average, okay, average basically means, excuse me, average basically means, like I taught you in class, Ashidik, Liana, and Hilmi, I hope you're listening to this. The average basically means you want to distribute or you want to share equally. Okay, shared equally is equal to shared equally. Okay, or in other words, what it basically means, is that how you spell equally? I think so. Shared equally. Or is it 1L? Whatever it is. I'm doing math. Okay, anyway, shared equally. So for example, if I were to have, let's say, I were to have 10, okay, and Ashidik was supposed to have, no, Ashidik was supposed to have 10, Liana was supposed to have 15 pens, and of course, Hilmi was supposed to have only maybe 5 pens, okay? So what is the average? The average is, first off, you put them together in one group. So 10 plus 15 plus 5, you add them up together first. So you will find that you have 10 and 20 equals to 30. And then you must share them equally, divided by the 3 people, 1, 2, 3. So the average is 30 divided by 3, which gives you 10. Okay, understand now? Alright, good. Let's move on to the question. The question says, these people, Leslie, Eric, and Noah, the average number of books they have, that means after sharing equally, Leslie, Eric, and Noah have 28 each. Okay, 28 each. This is after sharing equally. Alright, and then it says that if Leslie and Noah, if Leslie and Eric, sorry, have 61 books altogether, if Leslie and Eric have 61 books altogether, okay, how many books does Noah have? So very simple, average of 28, 20, 28 will give you that means the total number of books. This is after sharing equally. So before sharing equally, 28 times 3 will give you the total number of books in this group, 84. But since they said Leslie and Eric have 61, that means Noah must have what? Noah must have 84 minus 61. That means the total number of books minus the number of books Leslie and Eric have, which gives you the answer of 23. And that is the answer for question number 1. Okay, so again, average basically means to share equally, and after sharing equally, you notice that, okay, before sharing equally, you notice that they have 84 books together in the pile, okay, and 61 belongs to this Larry and Eric, and of course the rest of the books belongs to Noah, and in this case the answer is 23. So if you got that one right, high five to you, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Alright, so this brings me to the quote of the week, and the quote of the week says, don't force it, reinforce it. Here's something that studies have shown. Studies have shown that if you stress and you have a lot of emotions when you try to remember something, you probably can't remember accurately. Why? Because your emotions are in the way. You are either agitated, irritated, frustrated, angry, or whatever it is. You try to force it into your brain, it can't go in. But what you must do is to reinforce it. What is reinforce? Reinforce basically means to repeat, to do over and over again until your mind just clicks. Okay, so your mind will click, but first of all, you have to repeat the idea or the concept over and over again, and then your mind will say, okay, bam, now I get it. And that's how you get concepts in math, and that's how you get lessons in life as well. Okay, so that's how you're going to get your A's in the PSLE, is to reinforce it. So if you don't understand average, keep reinforcing it. And one fine moment, maybe even today, you at the end of the night, once after watching this video, everything will just click. And with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.